So welcome to my laundry room, the place where stuff gets piled up on the shelf and amazing fragrance happens. Yes, amazing fragrance happens in the laundry room with our amazing, and I'm going to keep saying amazing, laundry products. Okay, the newest scent is Palm Beach Breeze. Now, I've been using our Scentsy Laundry products for over 8 years. This is the scent. This is our newest scent, and I can smell this scent all over my house when I am washing clothes. Now, I love doing laundry, said no one ever. But Scentsy Laundry will help you want to do laundry because of that amazing scent that happens right in this laundry room. Laundry might take you a little bit longer when you use our Scentsy Laundry products because you might be sniffing those PJ Masks socks as you put clothes in the dryer, or you might be sniffing those towels as you fold them after they're out of the dryer. Either way, Scentsy products will layer that scent and make it last super long when you use it. Now, I have a family of 5. My husband is 6'4". I have 3 kids, a toddler who's constantly getting his clothes dirty, so the chances of me being able to put them away and they'll still be clean are slim to none. So I do sometimes up to 4 loads a week, average of 3, and Scentsy saves the day. So this is a concentrated Scentsy laundry liquid. It has 6 enzymes that fight stain removal, as well as it's high energy efficient safe. So a little bit of this goes a long way. You only pay for the amazing soap, no fillers. So my very first laundry product that I tried on our Scentsy Laundry line is the washer Whiffs. Now, this is the large tub. It does come in a smaller size, but these are amazing, magical scent boosting crystals. So this will be an extra layer of fragrance on your laundry that helps boost and make that fragrance last longer. It smells so good, guys. I highly recommend the Palm Beach Breeze because there ain't been no scent like this one until now. So Scentsy Washer Whiffs, our whole line is high energy efficient safe, so don't be afraid to use these whiffs. So have you thought about fragrancing your clothes while they're drying? Check out these laundry dryer discs. So this is like a plasticky, hard plastic fragranced dryer disc bar. You throw it right in with your clothes when they are drying, and it gives another layer of fragrance. Personal experience, it helps with static clean. So Scentsy dryer disc. So you get this, and you get this, and you get 2 boxes of these, which are the dryer discs. There's 2 in each box, so that's 4 dryer discs total. This is our Laundry Love Bundle and Save. So save some money when you purchase our laundry products, because who doesn't love saving money? Again, Palm Beach Breeze is the scent and where it's at. Love, love, love this scent. I'm telling you, my entire house smells so good when I've been using this just doing laundry.
Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for future notifications. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram at ScentSlinger12.